everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Sew Sundays, and let's get started with our project. Okay, so what I've already done off camera is I cut out my fabric, and the measurements are 3 inches by 36. You can have yours however long you would like them, but I think that this is the smallest you should make them because yes, we are going to be creating some lanyards. So I think that this is the smallest side. This is very, especially if you have like a bunch of things going on in the fabric and you want to still make sure you capture them. Like here, you can kind of tell, yeah, you can tell that these are tacos, avocados. So yeah, if you have a lot of busyness going on in the fabric, I think that this would be a perfect size for that. But if it's like solid or just like polka dots or something like that, then you're fine to go wider. Smaller. Now, this is the fabric that I chose to use. And as you can see, you can still see the little faces. Perfect. Now, first thing that I did was I folded my pieces in half. Like so. And I pressed. And that's how I got my first line here. I then opened up my fabric again. And I pulled each side to the center of that first crease. I pressed on the right side, moved this one inward, and I pressed on the left side, and then I folded them both together inward. Okay, so that's what I did all the way down to the end. So the first thing that I'm going to do is place my fabric inside of the key ring, like so. So once I have that completed, I'm then going to take my fabric pieces. I remove one pin. I'm going to place the two ends that were open. I'm going to mirror them together, right sides facing each other. And then I'm going to head to the sewing machine and create a straight stitch, going straight across. So now you should have one continuous piece, like so. So we're going to place our fabrics back into the original folds, making sure that our seams are aligned. And I'm going to place my pins back where they were. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this. So the next step is to create straight stitch going on both sides, like I have already completed here. Let's see if you can see the inside. Yes, like I completed there. Okay, so I like to start at the seam where I connected the two pieces together. Okay, so again, a straight stitch on both sides. So once you have sewn down both of your sides, you will have something that looks like this. And now we're going to create our last stitch, which is closing in our key ring at the bottom. So we're going to close it in like so, and we're just going to create a straight stitch going that way. So just be careful not to get too close to the key ring. You don't want your needle to hit the key ring. And we're just going to create a straight stitch. Forward stitch, and then we're going to back stitch. And I'm just going to go over it a few times just to make sure that everything is secured. Just going to cut up our threads. Alright, and now we have something that looks like this. And now you have your lanyard. One style anyway. I'm going to look for some more style. Okay, so I hope that you all learned something new. I hope that you all give it a try, and I hope that it was easy for you all to follow. If you give it a try, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. As always, take that sewing machine out that box and create something. Until next time, bye.